Is selling digital products on Etsy still a good idea? Yes, absolutely. You just need the right strategy. To be successful when you're selling digital products on Etsy, you must not sell everything to everyone. So you need to pick a niche and then be very specific about your products. And most importantly, research the products before creating them. So let me show you what I mean. First, I'd like to thank Sales Samurai for sponsoring today's video. Sales Samurai is a research and marketing platform for Etsy sellers that want to improve their sales and find high-ranking products and keywords that they can use for their listings to rank in Etsy search and bring in consistent sales for their shop. With their super easy to use tools such as the search feature, the competition tracker, you can see what's already selling on Etsy and get an idea of what people demand, of the search volume some products have, and the competition. So you can actually make money as a beginner on Etsy. So the first thing that you need to do is figure out what your niche will be. So the type of digital products that you want to sell, because you cannot sell every type of digital product on Etsy. The best way to make sales, especially as a beginner shop, is to focus on a niche and on a target audience. And to find out what that niche might be, you need to think of the digital products that you can create from start to finish without struggle and that you have a passion for. Then you need to go on Etsy and see if there is a demand for them. But first, make sure to download your Sales Samurai Chrome extension and start your 3-day free trial using the link below so you can see the exact search volume for every keyword that pops up. So download your Chrome extension, create your account using the link below so you can get the 3-day free trial, and then go to Etsy and search, for example, logo template. See what other keywords pop up and write them down, but also focus on the search volume. So see if the digital products that you want to create have a good search volume so people are searching for those products. If they are, next you can go to the Sales Samurai website and see what the competition is like for those keywords. Type in logo template, for example. Search for those that have a low competition. For example, floral logo template, cosmetic logo template, gold logo template. Keep those in mind when creating your product. So search for those that have a high search volume but low competition. As a new seller, that's where you want to fit in so you can get some sales fast. The next step is to search some best sellers in your niche to see exactly how they optimize their listings and their products so you know exactly what you need to do for yours to get a chance at ranking in search and making sales. Again, we're not copying other people's listings, we're just getting inspired by the strategy they're using. So for example, go search for logo template on Etsy and find a few best sellers that have the bestseller badge on them. Click on it, copy the listing link, and go back to Sales Samurai and search by single listing. Paste in the link there and click search. Sales Samurai will give you the exact category for that product, so you'll know where to categorize your digital product, the title characters, the words in the title, how many characters they have in the description, because the keywords from the description are also super important, how many images they've added. So if the bestseller has only 6 images, make sure that you use all 10. If they have a video or not, make sure to add a video for your listing, give you the exact tags they used, how much of that product is in stock for that seller, how many views the product has, how many favorites or likes, price, how old it is, so when it has been created, and its monthly views. So what you need to focus on from the statistics is how old the product is, so you know if it's a pretty new product, you know that it is super in demand right now if it has a lot of sales and it has become a bestseller. And then the monthly views, so you know exactly how many views should you generate for your product so it can rank in search and get more sales. Sales Samurai will also give you the search volume for every single keyword, for every single tag, so you can see the search volume and the competition for every tag, as well as tell you if that seller has included that keyword in the beginning of the title or in the product description. Next, by connecting your own shop with Sales Samurai, it will give you recommendations of how to improve your shop or your product listings and how to use the keywords to get more sales. So it will tell you if you included the tags, for example, the keywords in your title or in your description, and it will tell you what to improve to get more sales. Now it is time to actually open your Etsy shop if you haven't already. So make sure to do that with the link below so you can get 40 free listings when you're opening your shop. Once you list your first product, it can be any product, so you can open your shop. So add any image, any product type, so you can just open your shop and then you can edit that later. Then you'll be able to customize your shop with the profile image, the shop name, the banner, and the shop information. Be sure to choose a niche for your shop and brand it as an entire business. Speak to a target audience and create products that solve their problems and caters to their needs. Now, if you want to upload products in bulk on your Etsy shop, you can use the Sales Samurai uploader to upload more products at a time. But to create a brand new listing for your digital products from Etsy, make sure to go create that from your shop manager in Etsy. Add your listing title with enough keywords, then don't write it robotically, just keyword after keyword, but instead add it written naturally. Just get inspired by what the keywords other sellers are using that have bestsellers, but don't copy their exact title. Then you can create your product listing photos in Canva and add them to the Etsy listing along with a product video. The product video can be a 5 to 15 second video of you just using the template a little bit so people can see how it's being used and the product that they will receive. Next, add a good product description with lots of keywords and include the sizes people will get for that product, the type of file they would get, for example, a PDF file with a link to a template, mention that it is a digital product and refunds are not available, and so on. For the stock, make sure to add the maximum available, so 999, because digital products tend to sell faster, and make sure to leave it on auto, so automatic mode, so you don't have to renew the listing every time it sells, because that can also affect your rank in search. Select that it is a digital product, and for the actual file that you need to upload there, it will be a PDF that you'll create in Canva. So for example, you go to Canva, create an A4 PDF file, write your shop name, the product title, add your logo maybe, add your branding colors, and then for the actual link, add the template link that you get from Canva. So go to Canva, the actual template that you're selling, create the template link, and copy that in that PDF file. Click on the text, for example, download it here. Click on the text to add the link and paste it there, and then download it as a PDF standard and see if the link works for you. This is what it should look like. Check that everything is correct and then list your product. The next step to getting sales as a beginner shop on Etsy with digital products or physical ones is to join Etsy teams or communities to get a little bit of traffic to your listings before actually ranking in search and getting that organic traffic. So participate in Tim's discussions every single day and promote your listings and your shop to get more views, likes, and shop followers. If you need help with creating your Etsy shop or creating the digital products for your shop, or you need help with somebody managing your Etsy shop or your social media, make sure to contact me as I offer these services for you. For more help with product research and finding out what products are selling on Etsy and what products have a low competition that you can add to your shop, make sure to use Sales Samurai for your Etsy shop. You can try it below for free for 3 days. So make sure to do that to boost your product sales on Etsy for digital products or physical ones. Let me know in the comments what you thought of this video, and if you sell digital products on Etsy, what types of digital products are you selling? Let me know in the comments below. If you've enjoyed the information shared in this video, make sure to leave it a like and subscribe down below for more such videos weekly. In this video right here, I talk about 6 niches that you can start on Etsy and types of digital products that you can start selling right now and have success. So make sure to watch that. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one.